Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you the basics on how to make a logo in CorelDraw. Simply start by clicking on File and then click on New, and then adjust the resolution the way you want it. I prefer A4, so click on OK when you're done adjusting with your resolution. And then if you want to make the logo, you need to start with the lines. Click on freehand or just type F5 on your keyboard like this, and then you just make the logo by clicking on the area of your canvas like this. That's the basic logo using straight lines. But what if you want to make the logo curvy or has curves on it? Simply click on shape tool and then click on one of the lines like this, and then you click on convert to a curve like this, and then adjust the curviness of the line like this, and then click on the point, and then just adjust the curviness by dragging the arrow like this, and then do it for another line, do it like this, and then there's a point between two curvy lines. If you want to make the line smooth, click on the point that we just did and then click on smooth node like this, and then it's smooth, right? You can do adjustments to the logo so that it's perfect. And then when you're done, converting the straight lines into curvy lines like these, and then you do some tweaks like so. That's it, that's our logo. You can choose one of the colors from the palette on the right side of the screen. For instance, blue, cyan, green, red, yellow, whatever color that you prefer. Oh, I need to tweak the point again for a bit because that doesn't look as smooth as I want it to be. Okay, it's already looking smooth now. Alright, that's probably it. That's how you can make a logo in CorelDraw. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video by clicking on the like button, and also get yourself subbed up by clicking on the subscribe button, and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss a tutorial video from our channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.